10 amazing facts about the pileated woodpecker. Largest woodpecker in North America. The pileated woodpecker, Dryocopus pileatus, is the largest woodpecker in North America, measuring up to 19 inches in length with a wingspan of around 29 inches. Its size is comparable to that of a crow. Iconic red crest. Both males and females have a striking red crest on their heads. The males can be distinguished by a red stripe on the cheek, while females have a black one. Wood carving masters. Pileated woodpeckers are known for their ability to chisel large, rectangular holes in trees to forage for insects, especially carpenter ants. These holes can be so big that they create habitats for other animals. Forest dwellers. They prefer mature forests with large, standing dead trees or decaying wood, which provide nesting sites and ample food sources. Omnivorous diet. While carpenter ants and wood-boring beetles make up most of their diet, pileated woodpeckers also eat fruits, nuts, and seeds. They're often seen visiting backyard feeders for suet. Monogamous pair bonds. These birds are monogamous, forming lifelong pairs. They work together to defend their territory, which can range up to 200 acres. Drumming communication. Pileated woodpeckers use drumming as a form of communication. The rapid, loud sound is used to establish territory and attract mates. Cavity nesters. They excavate nesting cavities in dead or dying trees. These cavities are reused by other species like owls, ducks, and small mammals after the woodpeckers abandon them. Surprisingly, silent flyers. Despite their size, pileated woodpeckers are remarkably quiet in flight. Their flapping wings produce almost no sound as they move through the forest. Cultural significance. This woodpecker inspired the design of the famous cartoon character Woody Woodpecker. Its loud call and striking appearance have made it a symbol of vitality in many cultures.